Well, we are going to discuss today very sensitive topic. We are going to learn most used Russian swear words. Very bad words that you should use only in very critical situations. I'm going to give you examples of situations when you can use these words. I'm not using these words in my everyday life, and I'm not going to pronounce them today because I'm very shy, but I will ask my American friends to pronounce them for me. In this little collection, I gathered only the most used ones, and remember, use them only in very critical situations. And let's start with...
There's like pizdiets.
Pizdiets?
Yeah, that's a bad one.
What is it? Pizdiets?
Pizdiets.
So, depending on the context, this word means something bad, something good like an excitement, or something weird. Let's see some examples when you can use it. Say this word when you got fired from a job, you didn't pass an exam. Use it when you will not go on your vacation because of the coronavirus. You see a new iPhone as an excitement here. When you see a weird insect flying in your room. Steve, help me with number 2.
Pidaras.
Usually it is used to call a bad behaved man. Let's see in which situations you can use it. If you want to get in a fight in a club or in a bar. If you are in your car and someone just nearly hit you, but keep the windows closed and the doors locked. If you got fired and you want to say some last words to your boss. If you are a woman and you just got dumped by your boyfriend. If you are a woman and you just caught your husband in a bed with another woman. Okay, let's continue with...
Ты заебал.
It is used when someone annoys you and your patience is running out. To say it to a woman, just add the letter A. Let's see some very common everyday situations. Imagine you are at the ATM and you want to take some cash. The guy in front of you is very slow and undecided. Another situation, your friend just broke up with his girlfriend or with her boyfriend and he's talking about it already too much time. Your neighbor is repairing something every day in his apartment. Let's continue with the one that has not a very nice translation, but it is very popular.
Ёб твою мать.
Well, this expression does not have to necessarily refer to another person or to anyone's mother. It is very much used as an expression of frustration. Let's see some very common everyday situations. You are entering the store and you are realizing you forgot your mask, your wallet, or your phone in the car. You spilled your coffee on your t-shirt, shirt, or jeans. Someone just spilled coffee on your t-shirt, shirt, or jeans. Someone just hit your car. Steve, please help me with the next one.
Сука, блядь.
You can use these two together, or you can just split them and choose one of them. It can be referred to a person or to a situation that upsets you. For example, you just found out your friend is talking shit behind your back. When you step on a scale and you see that you gained 5 pounds. When you find out your flight is cancelled. Someone just passed near you and touched you aggressively with their shoulder. So I didn't find a video for the last expression and I'm going to pronounce it myself. Иди нахуй. Иди нахуй. Say this phrase when someone is calling you on your phone and trying to sell you something. Your neighbor interrupts your party and asking you to be quiet. Someone just stepped on your foot. Someone you don't like is trying to flirt with you. That's all for today. Do not write practice sentences in comments below. Just like this video, if you want more videos like this, connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Чмоки-чмоки.